I am Edric, and at 9 years old, I had created my first browser game called Banana Shooter. Let me tell you about this exciting project. In the game, players control a banana-shaped hero that moves freely across the screen using either WASD or arrow keys. Players can navigate while shooting at falling banana enemies. Each small banana with 10 points, but the real challenge appears at 100 points. It's a massive banana boss. I faced multiple of difficulties while trying to install Cursor AI. Besides that, I have various difficulties, particularly with the more advanced prompts. Luckily, with my brother and my teachers helped me to navigate the plethora of challenges with difficulties, thus allowing me to preserve in the face of adversity. I learned a lot in exploring artificial intelligence out through this program. Thank you.